In this demo, we will showcase the power of multimodal embeddings. Multimodal embeddings enable us to connect data across sensory mediums. Let's take a look. Here is an application for locating multimedia assets related to a search query. Let's search for media assets related to the term outdoors. You can see we get outdoorsy images. Let's search for media assets related to the term drugs. Our top result is in fact an image of Adderall. Let's now search for media assets related to the term speed. I guess somebody who has ADHD might take speed. And notice how we're also getting an audio result. This audio result sounds to me like a speed racer. Note that we are not doing string comparison against the metadata of these media assets when searching, but instead are comparing the vector representing the search query against the vectors representing the media assets themselves. The embedding model we are using to power this functionality is called Imagebind. Imagebind was released by Meta in May 2023. Imagebind lets you search for audio using images, images using audio, and much more. You can access Imagebind embeddings via a platform called replicate.com. Shout out to Alex Comerford for putting me onto this. Here is the script that I use to upload a few of my media assets to Imagebind for conversion into vectors. After each media asset is converted into a vector, you can see we are storing the resulting vector into a database index hosted by Pinecone. After the vectors representing our media are stored into Pinecone, or any other vector database for that matter, we can perform searches. If you want to try this yourself using Pinecone, you'll need to make sure you create an index in your account that supports vectors with 1024 dimensions. Let me show you how to do that. After signing up on Pinecone's website, you'll see an option to create indexes in your dashboard. Let's create an index called Imagebind 1024 dimensions. I like naming indexes after the embedding models that generate the vectors they will hold. After we have an Imagebind compatible index, we can run seed scripts to upload vectors representing our media. After we see vectors in the index, we'll be able to perform multimodal searches. Multimodal embeddings are amazing for creatives and media editors, as they allow for easier search across media assets when producing content.